Students, in this section, I am going to teach operations on matrices. जैसे operations on numbers, you have read addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. These are. First, I am going to teach addition and subtraction of matrices. After that, multiplication of a matrix by a constant and multiplication of matrices. And after this, we will read about their properties: commutative property, associative property, existence of identity, existence of inverse, distributive law, all these. Okay. So I am going to start first addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices. See, addition and subtraction of that matrices are only possible whose orders are same. Got it, everyone? Two matrices will be added, or we have to find, if in any question asked for the difference of that two matrices, that will be only exist if their order will be same. Okay, so of matrices, see, if A and B both are matrix of order m by n, both are same, both are matrix of same order, then A plus B is equal to C will be defined, where C is also a matrix of same order m by n. Okay, and it is defined as A, if A is a matrix Aij of order m by n, B is a matrix Bij of order m by n, then C is the matrix Cij of the same order m by n, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Okay, means how can we add these two matrices? By adding their corresponding entries. Okay, so there will be two important things. First, addition of two matrices will be only possible if their order will be same, and second, the sum of the two matrices will, if that exist, will be of same order. And how can we find out that? By adding their corresponding entries. I am going to give you an example. See, suppose this is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is of order 2 by 3. And another matrix B, that is 0, 1, 5, 3, 2, minus 1. That is same order 2 by 3. Then A plus B will be what? That is, add the corresponding entries. A11 plus B11, 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 6 minus 1. That will be. Means that is A plus B will be matrix, entries are 1, 3, 8, 7, 7, 5. Okay, you can see this is also a matrix of order 2 by 3. Got it? How can we find out the addition of two matrices? That is very easy. That is only possible when their order is same. And how can we add them? Add their corresponding entries. Very easy. Okay. Now subtraction. How can we subtract the two matrices? See, if A is a matrix Aij of order m by n, B is another matrix Bij of same order m by n, then the difference A minus B will be possible, that is C, and C will be Cij of the same order, and Cij is nothing but that is Aij minus Bij. Got it? So that is very easy. Difference of two matrices is only possible when their order will be same. And how can we find out the difference? By finding out the difference of the corresponding entries. So in the same example, I am going to find out A difference B, A minus B, A minus B, A minus B, subtraction of B from A, that is, so 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 4 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 1. Okay, so A minus B, that will be equal to what? That is 1, this is 1, this is minus 2, that is 1, that is 3, and that is 7. That is A minus B, that is A, that is B, that is A plus B, the same order, A minus B, the same order. Got it everyone? How can we add and subtract two matrices? Okay. Now I am going to teach properties of addition of matrices. Properties of addition. Properties of addition of matrices. See, A is a matrix. Suppose that a very easy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is of order 2 by 3, and B is another matrix. Say minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So what will be A plus B? That is 1 minus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2. Okay. So that will be A plus B is 1 minus 1, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 0, 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. That is. And what is the B plus A? B plus A? That is minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 4, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5, 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6. It will be minus 1 plus 1, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 0, 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now see, this B plus A equal to, see, this one and this one, that is same. Their corresponding entries are same. And we know that if when two matrices are equal, when they are of the same order, so you can see this is of order 2 by 3, that is same 2 by 3 order, and their corresponding entries are same. You can see in A plus B and B plus A, both the corresponding entries are same. That's why these two matrices are equal, means B plus A is equal to A plus B. You can see here operation is what? Addition. Operation is addition. And B plus A is equal to A plus B, means addition of matrices holds the commutative law. Okay. So from here we conclude that matrix addition is commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. Addition of matrices holds commutative law. Okay, we can give the general proof of commutativity of matrices. I am going to prove that. General proof, Seed's proof. Let A be any matrix of order m by n and B be another matrix Bij of same order m by n. तभी ये एग्जिस्ट करेगा, a plus b of एग्जिस्ट करेगा. So what will be a plus b? A plus b will be aij plus bij, that is aij plus bij. And see, these are what? These are numbers. Okay, and real or imaginary, no matter that will be real or imaginary. And we know that real numbers, addition on real numbers are commutative. So that is, suppose that this is 2 and this is 3, so 2 plus 3 is 5, then 3 plus 2 is also 5. So this can be written as, that is bij plus aij. Okay, so that can be written as bij plus aij, and this is the matrix B and that is A. So that is the general proof of matrix addition holds the commutative law. Got it? Now similarly we can easily prove that matrix addition is associative also. Matrix addition is associative. Means what? Of matrices, this one. Second, associative. Associative law. If A, B and C are three matrices, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. ये होता है. Okay, this is correct. Matrix addition holds the associative law. You can prove this. You can verify this by taking an example, and you can also give its general proof. So I am going to give you an example. See, this is A, 1 2 3 4. Okay, that is B, 3 4 5 6, and that is C, 6 7 8 9. Okay, a simple example. You can see the order of all are same, that is 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. That's why their addition will be exist. So find out this one, A plus B. That will be A plus B. This sum of these two. 1 plus 3 4, 2 plus 4 6, 1 plus 3 4, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 6 10. Okay, and after that A plus B plus C, this one. So A plus B is here and here is C. So addition of this one and this one. So what will become? This is 4 plus 6 10, 6 plus 7 13, 8 plus 8 16, 10 plus 9 19. Okay, now find out this one. So B plus C, first we have to find out B plus C. B plus C is what? See, 3 plus 6 9, 4 plus 7 11, 5 plus 8 13, 6 plus 9 15. After that add A in B plus C. So adding this one and this one, what will become? A plus B plus C will be equal to, that is 1 plus 9 10, 2 plus 11 13, 3 plus 13 16, and 4 plus 15 19. Now you can check. A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C. They are same. Their corresponding entries are same. Clearly A plus B plus C, that is equal to A plus B plus C. So that is the verification that matrix addition holds the associative law. Okay. Now next property, existence of identity. Existence of identity element. Existence of identity element. See, if A be any matrix of order m by n, then we have to find out a matrix whose sum, either we add that matrix to its right or left, that will be equal to A. आप थोड़ा सा अपने आप को रिमाइंड करो, तो याद करो जब नंबर्स पे हम ऑपरेशंस ऑन नंबर्स पढ़ रहे थे तो एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी पढ़ते थे, और हमें पता है कि जीरो इज दैट एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. क्यों होता है? जैसे सपोज कर लो कि कोई नंबर है, इसमें हम ऐसा कौन सा नंबर ऐड करते हैं, लेफ्ट और राइट, कि सेम नंबर मिल जाए. तो जाहिर सी बात है, इफ दिस इज अ रियल नंबर देन जीरो इज द एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. यही नेचुरल नंबर के केस में नहीं होता. 3 प्लस यहाँ पे हम कौन सा ऐसा नेचुरल नंबर लेते हैं कि फिर से हमें 3 मिल जाता है. जाहिर सी बात है यहाँ जीरो आएगा, बट जीरो इज नॉट द नेचुरल नंबर. सो इन द केस ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, additive identity does not exist, but in the case of whole numbers and integers and real numbers, rational numbers, in all these additive identity exists and that is zero. यही आपको बताया जाता होगा कि zero is the additive identity. So why zero is the additive identity? Because it satisfies this property. जब जीरो को किसी नंबर में हम ऐड करते हैं, आइदर जीरो को हम राइट रखें या लेफ्ट रखें, नो मैटर, सेम रिजल्ट दे देता है. तो हमें अगर मैट्रिक्स की में एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी चाहिए तो हमें कोई मैट्रिक्स यहां चाहिए जो आप राइट में रख दो या लेफ्ट में रख दो, हमें जिस मैट्रिक्स में ऐड किया जा रहा है वही मैट्रिक्स दे. ओके, एंड दैट मैट्रिक्स इज नल मैट्रिक्स. नल मैट्रिक्स, actually null matrix is represented by O. Null matrix of the same order means if A is a matrix of order m by n, then O will be matrix of order, null matrix of order m by n. I am going to give you an example. Consider A is 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is a matrix of order 2 by 3. So consider a null matrix of order 2 by 3, that is 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is 2 by 3. We know that null matrix is the matrix whose all entries are 0, no matter that is what is the order of that matrix. So see, find out A plus null matrix, that is the null matrix. Okay, so A plus null matrix, that will be 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 0 3, 4 plus 0 4, 5 plus 0 5, 6 plus 0 6, and you can see that is A. Also, if we add this null matrix to its left, that is the same result, 0 plus 1. We know that addition of matrices holds the commutative law. That's why A plus O will be same as O plus A, and you can verify from this example. O plus A is what? 0 plus 1, that is 1, 0 plus 2, that is 2, 0 plus 3, that is 3, 0 plus 4, that is 4, 0 plus 5, that is 5, 0 plus 6, that is 6, and you can see that is same as A. A is the matrix, this one. So that is A. So from here we conclude that A plus null matrix is equal to null matrix plus A, that is equal to A. That's why this null matrix is the additive identity for matrices. Okay, so here we can write that null matrix, that is null matrix is additive identity is additive identity for matrices. Okay, now next property, existence of inverse okay, existence of inverse. देखो इनवर्स उसी ऑपरेशन की एग्जिस्ट कर सकती है जिसका आइडेंटिटी एग्जिस्ट करे. ओके, तो आप देख सकते हो इसमें आइडेंटिटी एडिशन के लिए आइडेंटिटी एग्जिस्ट कर रही है, दैट इज नल मैट्रिक्स. तो इसका इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है. सो दैट शुड बी सी इनवर्स of any matrix A will be, देखो जैसे आप रियल नंबर्स में जब एडिटिव इनवर्स की बात करते होगे तो याद करो जूनियर क्लासेस में आपने पढ़ा होगा कि 2 की एडिटिव इनवर्स -2 होती है, 3 की एडिटिव इनवर्स -3, एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 4 इज -4, एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ -7 इज 7. Why? Because when we add that 2, then 7 and -7, 4 and -4, 1/2 and -1/2, result is what? 0. And 0 is what? That is the additive identity for real numbers. तो किसी नंबर का इनवर्स क्या होगा, एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? जब हम उसमें उसको ऐड कर दें तो आंसर क्या है? एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी है. तो वैसे ही यहां पे किसी मैट्रिक्स ए का इनवर्स क्या होगा? एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? एडिटिव इनवर्स एक्चुअली that will be, the statement will be additive inverse of any matrix A will be that matrix. यहां पे हमें एक ऐसा मैट्रिक्स चाहिए such that ऐसा मैट्रिक्स होना चाहिए such that A में उस मैट्रिक्स को हम ऐड करें, either that add to right or left, it gives us the null matrix, that is the additive identity. Okay, तो A में हम ऐसा कौन सा मैट्रिक्स ऐड कर दें कि हमें नल मैट्रिक्स मिल जाए. ओके, सो A में हमें -a ऐड करना पड़ेगा. -a भी एक मैट्रिक्स होगा. इससे पहले मुझको आपको स्केलर का किसी मैट्रिक्स में मल्टीप्लिकेशन बता देना चाहिए था, तभी ये हो पाएगा. ठीक है, तो मैं पहले बता देता हूं सिंपल सा, उसके बाद से आपको पता चल जाएगा. देखो A अगर कोई मैट्रिक्स है 1 2 3 4 5 6 और K कोई स्केलर है, K इज एनी स्केलर. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ K विद A, दैट विल बी KAIJ ऑफ द सेम ऑर्डर. मींस आपको कुछ करना नहीं है, वो जो कांस्टेंट है उसको सब में मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. मींस ये क्या आ जाएगा, दैट इज इस केस में जैसे K से आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो K into 1K, K into 2K, 3K, 4K, 5K, 6K, ये आएगा. ओके, अब K की जगह कोई भी कांस्टेंट हो सकता है, 2 3 1/2 1/3. तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जब भी, जैसे K की जगह 2 हो गया तो 2 सब में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल that find out 3A. So 3A will be what? 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 3 into 6. Okay, so 3A will be equal to what? 3 से सब में हमको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना सारी एंट्रीज में. 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15, 3 6 18. That will be 3. This is A and this is 3. So now I think you understand what is the matrix, what is the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. किसी कांस्टेंट से उस मैट्रिक्स को हम मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो क्या आएगा, उस कांस्टेंट से आप सारी एंट्रीज में मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, ठीक है। तो अब हमें चाहिए माइनस है, तो इसी एग्जांपल में आप देखो ये a है, तो माइनस से क्या आ जाएगा, माइनस ए मीन्स व्हाट, माइनस ए मीन्स व्हाट, माइनस ए मीन्स -1 इंटू ए, तो सारी एंट्रीज में -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट विल बी -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, दैट इज माइनस ए। नाउ अब देखो इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है ये देखना है, तो a प्लस माइनस ए क्या आएगा, दिस इज योर a एंड दिस इज योर माइनस ए, ऐड करो क्या आएगा, दैट इज 1 - 1 0, 2 - 2 0, 3 - 3 0, 4 - 4 0, 5 - 5 0, 6 - 6 0, दैट इज अ नल मैट्रिक्स। या फिर माइनस ए प्लस ए कर दो, क्या आएगा, दैट इज -1 + 1 0, -2 + 2 0, -3 + 3 0, -4 + 4 0, -5 + 5 0 0, दैट इज अ नल मैट्रिक्स। तो इसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, मींस किसी मैट्रिक्स A का एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा, माइनस। ओके, तो हमने क्या पढ़ा, एडिशन पढ़ा, सब्ट्रैक्शन पढ़ा, और एडिशन की सारी प्रॉपर्टीज, एडिशन ऑफ द मैट्रिसेस होल्ड्स कम्यूटेटिव लॉ, एसोसिएटिव लॉ, आइडेंटिटी एग्जिस्ट करती है, आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट नल मैट्रिक्स होता है, एंड इनवर्स भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, हर एक मैट्रिक्स A का इनवर्स माइनस होता है। नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में वी विल रीड अबाउट multiplication of matrices and properties of matrices. Thank you for